Hello students, we discussed formulas of regression coefficients. Now we have to learn the properties of regression coefficients. Take a heading, properties of regression coefficients. Properties of regression coefficients. Property 1. Prove that correlation coefficient is a geometric mean of two regression coefficients. Correlation coefficient is a geometric mean of two regression coefficients. We know everybody correlation coefficient. Okay, how do we represent correlation coefficient? R is a geometric mean of two regression coefficient. I think all of you know that in the semester 1 you learned if a comma b are two numbers, what is GM is equal to square root of AB. Yes or no? Even here also correlation coefficient is a, what is correlation coefficient? R is a geometric mean of two regression coefficients. What are two regression coefficients? Byx, bxy. That means plus or minus square root of byx into bxy. Plus or minus square root of byx into bxy. Everybody clear? How to prove? Let us see. Under proof, we know that what we know, byx is known to you. What is byx? R sigma y by sigma x formula. We also know that bxy. What is bxy? R sigma x by sigma y. Now multiply these two. Byx into bxy is equal to, what is byx? R sigma y by sigma x. What is bxy? R sigma x by sigma y. Here sigma y cancel. Sigma x cancel. Remaining are what? R into R. R into R can be R square. Left hand side byx into bxy. R square is equal to byx into bxy. Then R can be written as how? Plus or minus square root of byx into bxy. Are you clear, children? That means what? Correlation coefficient is a geometric mean of two regression coefficients. That is, R is equal to plus or minus under root of byx into bxy. Is it clear to you, everybody? Afterwards, when do you take plus, when do you take minus is a question mark. If both are positive, both the regression coefficients are positive, that means byx positive, bxy positive, then R become positive. If both are negative, R becomes negative. If 1 plus 1 minus, your calculation wrong. వస్తే రెండు పాజిటివ్ రావాలి లేదా రెండు నెగటివ్. Both are positive, R become positive. Both are minus, R become minus. But 1 plus 1 minus, Our calculation wrong. Okay, note down that point. Note 1. If byx comma bxy are positive, then r is positive. If second one, byx comma bxy are negative, then r is negative. Clear, children? This is what the first property. What is the first property? Correlation coefficient is a geometric mean of two regression coefficients. All of you take a screenshot or else you can write. Okay. Shall I run? Next, property 2. Second property, property 2. One of the regression coefficient, is greater than unity, then the other must be less than unity. One of the regression coefficient is greater than unity, other must be less than unity. Okay. What is that unity? Unity means what? One. One of the regression coefficient. What are regression coefficient? Byx, bxy. If byx is greater than 1, you have to prove that bxy should be less than 1. Okay, let us see how to prove. Under proof, to prove that byx is greater than 1, then bxy less than 1. Byx is greater than 1, then bxy less than 1. How to prove? Let us see. Consider byx greater than 1. Byx greater than 1. If I am taken reciprocal, what do you mean by reciprocal? 1 by byx. What will happen? Byx is greater than 1. 1 by byx should be less than 1, no? Let it be 1. Yes, we know that. R is lies between where to where? -1 to +1. R is lies between -1 to +1. R square also lies between -1 to +1. No? R square is also lies between -1 to +1. Just I am taking less than or equal to 1. But you know that what is R square? Byx into bxy. Byx into bxy, which is less than or equal to 1. Now, take this byx is this side. That means what I will prove here. Bxy less than or equal to 1 by byx. Bxy less than or equal to 1 by byx. We know that 1 by byx is what? Less than 1. No? From 1, bxy less than or equal to 1 by byx less than 1. What do you say from this? Bxy should be less than 1. That means if you take byx is greater than 1, the other must be less than 1. Or note. What is the note? If bxy is greater than 1, then byx is less than 1. Are you clear? Note down this fast. Completed? Should I rub this one? Go to the third one. Prove that average of regression coefficients, average of regression coefficients is always greater than or equal to correlation coefficient. Average of regression coefficients is always greater than or equal to correlation coefficient. What does it mean? Under proof, average of regression coefficient. What are regression coefficient? dyx and dxy. Average means what? Sum divided by 2 greater than or equal to correlation coefficient. What is correlation coefficient? Is r, which is greater than or equal to, we are saying. Are you clear? That means dyx plus dxy greater than or equal to, if you take 2 this side, then it becomes 2r, no? Then what is dyx? R sigma y by sigma x formula. What is dxy? R sigma x by sigma y. You know these formulas. Greater than or equal to 2r. Right? In these two, what is the common term? R. If I take r common, remaining sigma y by sigma x plus sigma x by sigma y is greater than or equal to 2r. Here r cancel. Right? What is the LCM for this? Sigma x, sigma y. If sigma x, sigma y is the LCM, numerator sigma y into sigma y square. Sigma x into sigma x square. Greater than or equal to 2r. No, 2. R is cancelled. Take this sigma x, sigma y this side. What you'll get? Sigma y square plus sigma x square greater than or equal to 2 sigma x, sigma y. Right? Afterwards, take this term to left side. Sigma y square plus sigma x square minus 2 sigma x, sigma y greater than or equal to 0. Is it right? Now, see children, it is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab, no? How do we write? A minus b whole square. How do we write a minus b whole square? Sigma y minus sigma x whole square is greater than or equal to 0. Is this statement is true? Yes or no? Why this statement is true? Because square of any number should be either equal to 0 or greater than 0. You are not going to get the negative. If this statement is true, automatically this is also true. Therefore, it is true. It is true. Hence, it is proved. What it is proved? Average of regression coefficients is always greater than or equal to correlation coefficient. Okay. Still, you have 2 more properties better. We'll see in next session. All of you copy, or you can take a screenshot of this. Complete fast.